Hey, today we are going to read a poem, Trees, and the name of the poet is Shirley Bauer. Well, this is a topic which doesn't need any introduction because this is something which we have been seeing since our childhood. But as we grow up, we forget to acknowledge all the benefits we are receiving from trees, despite the fact that trees have furnished us with two main necessities of our life, that is food and oxygen. As we evolved, trees provided us additional necessities such as shelter, tools, medicines, etc. So let's read the poem and know what are the activities which we do with them. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees makes fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. See how many colors of life are there with trees. They are a significant element of our life. Not just significant but an essential element. It's really hard to imagine survival without them. The whole ecosystem relies on trees. But man is likely to cut trees for various purposes like settlement, livelihood, industries. In my opinion, we should compensate this loss by planting more and more plants on individual basis. In this poem, we discussed all the activities which we do with trees, and other than that, we have also discussed the different opinions of mothers and fathers regarding trees. The mothers see trees as a model for their children to paint, whereas father thinks about raking leaves when they will shed in autumn. So after this poem, let's discuss all the poetic devices used in this poem. So the first poetic device which is used in this poem is repetition. As its name suggests, means a word has been repeated over and over, and the word is, as you can see, trees. So the first poetic device used here is repetition. Coming to second poetic device, which is alliteration. Now, what is alliteration? So alliteration is the occurrence of the same word or the same sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words. Have you noticed I have used a term here, closely connected? It is also an alliteration. They are starting with the same consonant C and producing the same sound K as well. So alliteration can be seen in the poem in the following verse, and the first is swing swings on. Second is shade in summer. Now these both are starting with S and they are closely connected. Then the next is make mothers. Both are starting with M, and the fourth pair is picture to paint. So this is the alliteration. The next poetic device is rhyming scheme. Now this rhyming scheme is going to be formed by you, and let me know in the comment section. I will pin the comment which has the correct rhyming scheme. So these were the poetic devices used in the poem, and now it's time to head towards the back exercise. So the first question is, what are the games or human activities which use trees or in which trees also participate? All the human activities we have already discussed, that these are, we can play hide and seek there, we can swing there, and we can have tea parties there. So all these activities you can read in the following text. The second question is, trees are to make no shade in winter. What does this mean? Now, in winters, what happens? All the trees shed their leaves, and when trees have no leaves, they will not provide shade. So the line, trees are to make no shade in winter, means they don't provide any shade in the season of winter. Next is, trees are for apples to grow on or pears. Do you agree that one purpose of a tree is to have fruit on it, or do you think this line is humorous? Now this line is not at all humorous, and one of the principal function of trees is to bear fruits. This was our poem, poetic devices and the back exercise. See you very soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching.
I sound really fine 아무렇지 않은 척